Hi everyone.
Hi everybody.
In today's video we are going to be swatching these nude colors from Essence.
Bargain bin collection, as I like to call it.
The bargain bin collection, because we found it in a bargain bin.
Yeah.
For €99, I believe. The price was
somewhere. Was it €99? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. And this is me. It's called This Is Me collection, I guess. I don't know. So let us know if you've heard about it or if you used it, if you've seen it.
Yeah, leave some comments down below.
Because this is the first time I saw this. And we kind of always look at the Essence. All right, so the colors are Freaky.
Not freaky about that.
Bold. Fabulous. Legendary. Free. Beautiful.
Oh, hold on.
And smart.
$1.99.
Yeah, so we kind of went from the lightest to the darkest. And we are going to do one nail each, because we had a huge argument here previously, trying to figure out what to do, because we have 7 colors.
And by argument, it was just a mere conversation.
Yeah, which ended like, do whatever you want to do.
Yeah, that was me saying that, by the way.
All right, so we're going to do 7, because, yeah, we can't split it into 2 and 2. Anyway, the first one is called Freaky. So this is like a mauvey color. And we did the Essence base coat. Ooh.
The brush is just not... I'm not vibing on the brush, but like the color.
Whoa, it's incredible.
Wow.
Yeah, in one coat. Because we had some... Just recently we did a video on SE. Should we do 2? Okay, please don't hate me. Okay, we're just gonna do 2 because I want to see if this is just a fluke. Okay, mid filming we change our decisions. But
No.
I do.
Yeah.
Because I really wanted to see if this is just okay. The brush is so. Okay, I've seen better brushes. Oops, oopsie daisy. So this was what? The name?
Freaky.
Was it? No. Yeah, it was.
Oh my god.
What?
Nothing.
You think I remember those things? Oh my god. Look. That little whatever. All right, so this was Freaky. Now this is Bold. So we're gonna do part 1 and part 2, possibly. This is Bold. And it's like F my life.
Pretty much.
This one
because that was my idea in the first place. Having a part 1 and part 2.
Okay, this is much warmer.
But the application,
very
like
good.
Just how pigmented it is.
Over the base coat especially, because sometimes these colors go on very well if they are applied over naked nail, but this is...
But even just like, it's not watery, it's doing well. Making sure that it's filming?
Yes, it's filming. Would not be good if it wasn't filming.
I think I'd laugh at
this one was Bold. So now this one is another mauve, and it's called Fabulous. Fabulous. We'll see how this goes on. It's kind of similar. It's a little bit darker than the Freaky. You know, I kind of had a feeling that this would be a very nicely pigmented collection.
Really?
Yeah. I knew it. Okay, this one has a...
You knew it, I found it.
Yeah, you found it.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I too go to the store and buy polishes. Wow. Very nice.
Very nice.
You know what else is nice? When people like and subscribe.
Yes, that's very true.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, if you would be so kind, if you have not liked or subscribed, like and subscribe.
I mean, if you like it.
If you like, of course.
Yeah.
Don't hit that dislike button.
Oh,
that's
this
just not
is
awesome.
Beautiful.
And of course, don't forget, we have lots of links down in the doobly-doo. By that, I mean the description box down below. Go check it all out because it's fantastic. Like
Legendary.
my nails.
Legendary.
Indeed. Legendary it is.
That's the name of the nail polish. In our channel. Okay, this is excellent. Excellent. Beautiful.
This is starting to sound like something like Barney from How I Met Your Mother.
I know.
It's going to be legendary.
It was funny at the beginning, but...
Oh, the first...
Yeah, the first time we watched it, it was like, wow, this is so much fun. And then it was like, God.
Then we watched it the second time and barely got through it to the end.
Free. This is the name of the...
That's how I felt when we were done watching How I Met Your Mother the second time around.
Yeah.
Let's see how it applies, shall we? Wow. I actually kind of like that color.
Yeah.
It has this kind of
70s
red
vibe.
stone feel to it. Wow. All right, speed bump. Let's see how this looks.
I'm impressed, Essence. For €1.99. Okay, this brush is a little bit better. Wow, look at that.
Very, very nice.
And I applied it in like a pretty thin coat, right?
Yeah. You can see how well it's drying too. Like you can
it?
see the ridges are starting to pop up already. I would say it's probably tacky, but it's...
Yeah, it's tacky, but...
It's coming along.
Okay, so we'll do the second coat.
Round 2.
Let's just kind of wait or not?
Just lay it down.
Huh?
Lay it down.
Lay it down. Okay.
Let's risk it. See what happens. Be dangerous.
But normally it's better to let it dry.
Yeah, of course.
Especially if you are using a base coat, because somehow the first coat of polish on top of the base coat dries a little bit longer than the polish on the natural nail. I have to say, Essence is almost like kind of hit and miss sometimes, no? It's usually very good, but there is some of those nudes that we did was like not
Holy
impressed.
guacamole.
Yeah. So the other one was, this was freaky, and then this was bold.
Bold.
Yeah, bold is much, it's warmer.
It's like chocolate milk.
Yeah. What is it here? That's the cacaolet or something? It's the chocolate milk.
Something along those lines. I just remember crema de cacahuetes. I could be in like an emergency state. That's about the most I'd be able to say. Basically peanut butter.
It's one of your 6 words in Spanish that you know.
Essentially, yes. Actually, that's 3 out of the 6, so.
Okay, yeah. Well, that's technically probably like 2 words. Well, that is
No,
a
it's
word,
3.
but
It's 3.
but not really. Okay.
House could be on fire. That's what I'd be screaming.
Okay. Okay, now this one needs to go on this now. So I'm getting confused myself.
And what color is
God help
that?
me. Okay, yes, this is fabulous.
Oh, this
Fabulous.
is fabulous. Oh my. This is one of those odd videos. Just odd humor. Odd colors.
They're not odd.
Odd people.
Okay, yes, legendary.
Oh my lord.
I lost it for a second. Now
For
we're
a
gonna have
second?
to, for a second, yes.
She says for a second, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, so they definitely dry a little bit darker.
Yeah.
Very nice and
What
creamy.
did we experience that with the other day? Was that Essence as well, or was that Essie? Where it dried a little bit? No, Revlon. I think dried a little bit darker.
Dry.
And that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's just an observation, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. It's a surprise.
Surprise!
I'm so impressed with this.
Yeah.
So impressed.
For €1.99, let me tell you what.
This also would look really, really good on a darker skin tone, like this shade.
Yes.
Wow, I've seen some pictures. Actually, someone wearing the Flaming Mustard by C&D. Darker skin tone looked really, really good.
Yeah.
All right. So let's kind of compare these two without smudging them, right?
Smudge or no smudging?
Okay, so these two I'm trying to compare, this and this. This is just like a darker version, right? So the Freaky, which is the first one, and then the Fabulous. This is the Fabulous. And then, so these two are the cooler, and then the warmer would be these two. And then this one as well. So now this one would be bold.
It kind of reminds me of like red clay or something.
Yeah, bold and legendary. So bold and legendary. And then free. This one. Right? Yeah.
I kind of dozed off there. What were we talking about?
Comparing different shades.
Right. So, guys, let us know what your favorites are.
Yeah, if you're also
in the
impressed,
comment
if you've heard
section
about this
down below.
collection.
Yeah, and if you've had a chance to work with them.
Yeah, check the bin. The
bargain bins.
The bargain bins.
You never know what you'll find. And let me tell you what a good collection this was to find. The Bargain Bin Collection 2021, ladies and gentlemen, by yours truly, Mr. Salon Life. And
these two we're gonna do probably one hand and one. Would you want to wear it? I think this would be cool.
no.
No?
No.
Why not?
Because I don't feel like it.
Okay. So one
Bit of a drama queen at times.
Yeah.
And this is one of those
I'm
moments.
not gonna wear it.
I'm not gonna wear it.
No.
No.
Okay, so we'll do a very quick second video and we'll show you these colors.
Yeah.
Okay. So ciao for now.
We will catch you in the next video.
Bye.
Ciao.